Come, Bunny. Come here. Come here. That lawn doesn't stand a chance. He's the hungriest little bunny I've ever seen. You grew up on this lawn. On this nice sunken lawn. Nice bunny. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Don't leave that blade of grass. Oop, there's another one. Polish it off. Come here. Come here. Bunny? Hi, Bunny. Come here. Alright, you're too busy having dinner. Alright, I'm gonna go back inside. How come you're not scared of me? I'm right in front of you and you're not scared. How come you're not scared? Oh, now you're paying attention. But my silly bunny, I can just jump and hop on you right now. You're just one jump away. How are you? Wow, look at you. My cute bunny. Look at you. Look at you. Ah. When are you gonna jump? I can just reach out my hand and catch you right now, smart bunny. You need to jump. You need to run. You need to run. Oi. You're a wild rabbit. You're supposed to be scared of me. Good job. Okay, please, please leave that tomato. Wow. Good job reading, my bunny. Eat all of that. That's right. Eat that. Eat all that.